Hello Junior 3, hope you all feeling good. Today we will start with page 15, Parents and Offspring. Read the text with a partner, underline or highlight important facts about inherited traits. All types of plants and animals can make more of their kind. These new living organisms are called offspring. All offspring are similar to their parents. Offspring look and behave in ways similar to their parents. Young zebras have stripes and eat grasses like their parents. Okay, here we will circle young zebras have stripes. This happens because parents pass information to their offspring before the offspring are born. This information determines traits the offspring will have. Traits are characteristics or features that make an offspring look and act the way it does. For zebras, the pattern of stripes on their bodies is a trait. Offspring usually get some traits from their mother and some from their father. In this way, the offspring are not exact copies of their parents. All zebras have stripes, but no two zebras have the exact same pattern of stripes. Here we will make a circle on the offspring are not exact copies of their parents. Some traits passed down help plants and animals survive. Zebras have strong, large teeth that help them bite off and break down the tough grasses found in their habitat. And in this paragraph, we will circle zebras have strong, large teeth. Turning to page 16, double entry journal. In the first column, record an important fact you highlighted. In the second column, write what you think about the information you recorded. Okay, as we underlined the facts in the previous page, let's write them in the table. The first fact we underlined or make a circle on it is young zebras have stripes. Okay, in the other side, I will write it helped to stop the bees from biting the zebras. Okay, the second fact is zebras have strong and large teeth. I think it helped them bite off and break down tough grasses. The third and last fact is offspring are not exact copies of their parents. I think because offspring get some traits from their mother and some traits from their father. Moving to page 17, help me survive. Observe the images, identify the inherited traits, discuss how the traits could contribute to survival. The first picture is for the giraffe. I will write, it has long necks and it helps in eating grass on tall trees. The second picture is for adult eagle. I will write, it has strong beak and wings. It helps to fly high and eat prey. The third and last picture is for eagle chick. I will write, it has strong claws, it helps to carry prey. Now moving to page 18, the first picture is for oak tree. It has poisonous leaves, it helps to prevent animals from eating its leaves. The second picture is for sapling or young tree. It has thin stem, it helps to absorb water from surface. The third picture is for bees. It can grow anywhere in rocky, hot or cool areas. Fourth and last picture is for bees sprout. It transports water and sugars to all plant parts. Now moving to page 19, what I think and my evidence. Observe the adult, then the offspring. Use what you know about the inherited traits to answer the following questions. These two pictures are for jaguar and jaguar cub. Let's see the questions below. Number 1. Compare the adult with the offspring. In your own words, use what you know about traits to explain why they look alike in some ways but look different in others. I will write, look alike because they have same fur, pattern and shape of eyes, but look different because adult jaguar can catch prey alone while offspring cannot do it alone. Number 2. In a litter of jaguar cubs, would you be surprised if all the cubs were the same size and weight when they grow up? Why or why not? I will write, Yes, I'll be surprised because offspring get some traits from mother and some from father. So offspring don't get the same exact traits. Number 3. What inherited trait would be important for the jaguar's survival? Why? I will write how to hunt and catch the prey because living things can't live without food. Now turning to page 20, planning my story. Use the graphic organizer to plan your story. Plan, draft, revise, and publish. In order to write a story, we should plan it well, write a draft for the story, correct mistakes in the draft, write your story to get it published. The story must have characters and settings. Each story must have beginning, middle, and end. Now let's write the characters. The characters of the story are Amira and the cat. Then, setting. I will write the weather is rainy. Last one, ways to adapt to environment. It will be going home until the weather became good. Here on page 21, these 3 circles, beginning, middle, and end. Okay, let's write the story. First, the beginning. Amira was walking in the street. After a school day, she saw a cat. Then the middle. Suddenly, it started to rain. Amira wore her coat and used her umbrella. The cat couldn't do anything. The last is the end. Amira took the cat to her home until the weather became good. Turning to page 22, first draft. Write a first draft of your Rashad story. The draft is like notes I write it to myself, and it has many mistakes. Let's see it. First, the beginning. Amira was walking in the street after a school day. She saw a cat. As you see, we have here 2 mistakes, school and cat. Then the middle. Suddenly it started to rain. Amira wore her coat and used her umbrella. The cat couldn't do anything. The mistakes are rain and umbrella. The end. Amira took the cat to her home until the weather became good. Here we have home and weather. Page 23. Publishing. Write your published version of your story. Here we will write the story corrected without any mistakes. First is the title, Amira and the cat. Then the beginning. Amira was walking in the street after a school day. She saw a cat. Then the middle. Suddenly it started to rain. Amira wore her coat and used her umbrella. The cat couldn't do anything. The end. Amira took the cat to her home until the weather became good. Here we corrected the mistakes in the story and put the commas and the points. Thank you, Junior 3.